In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell with Shopify on TikTok. To get started, you will be working inside your Shopify admin. This process is all about syncing the products you already have in Shopify into your TikTok sales channel, so they can be available for promotion and selling through TikTok. First, look at the left-hand sidebar in Shopify. Find and click the TikTok sales channel. This is the section where Shopify connects your store to TikTok features, including your product catalog. If you have multiple sales channels, make sure you select TikTok specifically, not another channel like online store or other marketplaces, because the product syncing options will be different. Once you are in the TikTok sales channel, you will move to the area where products are managed. You can do this by opening either the Product Gallery tab or the Manage Products tab. These sections are where Shopify shows which items are available to TikTok and which ones still need to be added. If you are looking for a quick visual overview, Product Gallery is a helpful place to start. If you want a more direct list of what is connected, Manage Products is usually the fastest route. Next, click Add Products. This is the button that begins the syncing process. When you click it, Shopify will let you choose what you want to send over to TikTok. Now select the specific items or collections you want to sync. Choosing individual products is best when you want tight control over exactly what appears on TikTok. Choosing a collection can save time when you have a group of related products you want to add together. As you make your selections, take a moment to confirm you are only including products you are ready to sell and promote, with accurate titles, pricing, and product images, since that information is what customers will see. Finally, click Add to confirm. After that, Shopify will start syncing those products to the TikTok sales channel. Depending on how many items you selected, it may take a short moment for everything to show up, and that is all there is to it.